today I am going to make a new video. So please whatever.
What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today we are headed to town to meet up with my friend, and she has made me a custom painting. Really excited to see how it turned out. I gave her a slight idea of how I wanted it, and then she just put her magic touches to it. I'm gonna put her Instagram below and you can go check her out. Some amazing custom work. She's taking custom orders as well. We're gonna head out now. Ruel's with me, of course, like always. Yeah, we have to go all the way to town, so it's gonna be quite a drive over there. So yeah, Ruel, you excited?
Yeah, I want to see how it looks like.
Maybe we can.
You should get them a hint.
Alright, so the hint of the painting. Should I really give them a hint? I would say it's got me and Shadow in it, right? Let's just put it that way. That's the only hint you're getting right now. It's got me and Shadow in it. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog to check it out and see what it is. Check this trick out. Horsepower Cartel exclusive. You're not gonna see this on Stradman. You're not gonna see this on Daily Driven Exotics. You're not gonna see this on what else? Shmee. You know, it's exclusive Horsepower Cartel. Watch this. Stay. Good boy, stay. Comment below on how long you think I've made Shadow stay like this. It's been a while too, trust me. And he doesn't mind it, he loves it. Okay, look at that. Wow, good boy, Shadow. Ash version of you and Shadow. Dude, I can't wait to see it. So I'm here with my friend Harshala, who just made this painting for us. We're gonna unravel it in a bit. You know, I gave you a little heads up on how I wanted it, so give us a brief on what we're expecting.
So the painting is going to reflect a lot of Santosh's personality, which is like flexing and icy and bougie. I mean, I try to do that, but I hope you like it, Santosh.
Of course, I'm gonna love it.
And the vibe that we're going for, I mean, when we open it, we'll just have a look. It's more of a GTA, badass, Miami vibe, which is like totally Santosh.
It's so nicely wrapped, man. I really don't wanna...
Just rip it.
That's what she said. Oh my god, I can see it kind of. Okay, I'm gonna open it this way, so
no,
like...
Santosh, just open it the other way. Just rip it.
I haven't seen it yet, so I'm ripping it this way so we all see it for the first time. Oh my god, that's so dope. Here it is, guys.
Limitless.
Check it out.
SJP.
It's dope, right?
So Santosh wanted something that resembled his time in Bombay and like with his ride or die buddy Shadow. So yeah, that's him with like his gold bone, which like we all know Shadow is like bougie as like Santosh, and that's Santosh driving with his bags of gold and his dollar notes falling from the top. And yeah, you have your C-Link where the infamous Santosh is found with his car, always driving around,
Doing the speed limit.
Breaking the speed limit on the
speed limit in Mexico.
And yeah, he comes to South Bombay to meet me. So there's like the Gateway of India here and all your
money bags,
drippy stuff.
So I guess I have to leave the Nissan white now because I can't get it painted. But I like that, limitless. I like the palm trees. Peep the palm trees. I don't know if you can see it. Get the palm trees. That's so dope with the sunlight. It's really like Miami GTA vibes, like Vice City. I get what you're saying. This is so dope, Arshila.
Do you like it, Santosh? Honestly,
I love it. I love it.
honestly,
We even decided where to put it in my house. Like,
Really?
yeah. Wow. So that's definitely not gonna get messed up. Wow, she even went ahead and did the dude. So HRB Studio killing it. Value for money, I'll tell you that. The quality is amazing. You get 5% off. Use the code word Horsepower Cartel. Properly see it now. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. Look at the attention to detail. That's what I love about it. That's what you get with HRB Studio. Check that out. That's so dope. Got the gold chain. Got my Rollie on. Shadow's got the gold chain. Got my Adidas. Got my hat backwards. That's so dope, man. That's so dope.
I'm glad you like it. Honestly.
It's so dope. It's so sick. Right now, I'm headed off to Redline Auto House to pick up the M5, see if everything's sorted. And we're gonna go check out the G-Wagon. Remember the Brabus G-Wagon, the G55? We're gonna go check it out because it's just got freshly painted, and I'll give you a little sneak peek of that. So, Simak, here we are at Redline Auto House. What do you think about the G?
It looks like a brand new vehicle now.
Yeah, let's give him a quick sneak peek.
Love it.
Oh, that was quick. This is it again. And here we are. Here's the M5. About to pick it up. First spin. I said now it's been a while, guys, since I drove it. As you can see, looking oh so fresh. Just needs a nice detail and we're good to go. Let's start it up and hear this beast. Alright guys, see how wider the fenders are. This is a regular E60 530D. Now look at the M5. So much wider. Base model and beast model. So we're in the M5 now. Almost home. Feels good. Have to take it easy. Can't go crazy. Here she is, guys, back on the channel. My 2006 BMW E60 M5 V10, all in its glory. Big shout out to Redline Auto House for taking well care of it, bringing her back to life. I'll explain in a video later, or later this video, what exactly went wrong. I hope you guys can hear me over the exhaust, but I thought I'll share this great moment with you, just taking it in, because it's been almost, I want to say 6.5 to 7 months since I've driven her. So here she is, guys. Enjoy the B-roll. Right now, just making room for the M5. Got the Nissan parked there. S-Class, Prado, parked it over there in the corner. Gonna fit the S-Class in between and then the Prado in front of it, since that's my daily. So here it is, guys. Finally got all the cars parked up. Got the 221, the M5 back there. My neighbor's gonna hate me. So I left a little space so I can take out the S-Class and the Prado as well. But yeah, so nice to see all these cars back together. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about that check engine light and airbag light. Now, there's a resistor in the passenger side door where the passenger side airbag is. As you can see, that little thing over there, that's the airbag. There's some problem in that. Okay, that's why I have the airbag light still. No more seatbelt light because the seat occupancy sensor is sorted. Check engine light because it needs a new O2 sensor. All these parts have been ordered and the car will be 100% soon, so stay tuned. So really happy with the turnout. Again, shout out to Redline Auto House, doing a wonderful job. And you can just take this in, guys. Carbon fiber everywhere. Beautiful job. It was already done before, but just appreciating it now more. I just want you guys to take this moment in. Got the M5, got the beautiful S-Class Black Bison by Wall Design. Got my Prado over here, my humble daily driver. Of course, you got the weekend sports car. Comment below to let me know if you think this is the most diverse garage in the country. I mean, we got your luxury sedan, okay? We got your sleeper super saloon over here. You got your everyday workhorse, you know, and you got your weekend toy over there. So what do you guys think? Tell me below right now in the comment what would be your favorite car out of these four. And I actually have one more car parked in my lobby parking, which I haven't revealed yet. It's the new project car that's going to be announced soon, I promise you guys.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapakaray.